Hello, lovers. Today we're going to be making cabbage seafood stir fried rice, and I'm going to be putting you through the recipes, okay, or how to cook it. So first, we cut our cabbages. You can use half of this. I used half of the cabbage. I didn't use like everything. And then I go in and cut my onions. I used white onions because I don't want any purple hue on my rice for this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and blanch my cabbage, and I'm going to go ahead and cut bits of plantain, ripe plantain. Next thing I'm going to be frying my seafood. It consists of shrimps, imitation crabs, mussels, I think, and I'm going to be adding Thai bay leaves, Thai basil, some salt. I'm going to fry that up, and we're going to take it out because you can see that orange n- hue means it's ripe, is ready. We're gonna go in with our plantains next, fry up the plantain bits. Ooh, the whole kitchen is smelling good by this time, I can assure you. We're gonna go ahead and fry that and take that out. And we're going to put some butter in a pan, heat it up, pour some white onions that we cut earlier on, put more Thai basil, pour some pepper base. This consists of red bell pepper, habanero, and a little bit of onions, more Thai basil, and then we stir. You can see that beautiful color right there. It's just there waiting for us to, take it in. So I'm gonna go in with my garlic. I'm gonna go in with some ginger paste as well. We're going to mix all that up, and then next we're going to be pouring in our blanched cabbage. Guys, when I tell you this dish is a signature dish, prepare it for your odugu. He would love you for it. Prepare it for your bae, your boo. Next, we're going to be adding some seasoning cubes. I use bouillon powder, no bouillon powder. That's the only seasoning I'm going to be putting in this seafood stir fry. Next, we're going to go in with our already fried seafood. Remember, we fried that earlier. And after we pour that in, we're going to be pouring in our diced fried plantains. We're going to be turning all that up, and we're going to stir fry it, let that heat come off of it. The kitchen is already smelling so good, I'm telling you. Now, this is a simple dish because the stir fry is ready. I already parboiled the jasmine white rice, and I'm going to be mixing it up now. Next thing goes my already oven baked fish. So I used sardine fish for this. It's called Saba mackerel. That's what I used for this dish. I'm gonna go in and stir this. You have to thoroughly turn this. You have to thoroughly stir this so that the juices, the spices, everything can mix all together. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir fry this rice with all my might because I used about 4 cups of rice for this dish right here. My hands are pretty heavy at this point, but the end game is to enjoy a hot plate of stir fried cabbage rice. This is my plating right here. I'm getting ready to, throw it down. This is how it looks afterwards. I'm telling you, try this dish. You come back to thank me later.